Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shumaila
And
Naja.
guys, we are in Kumrat Valley, beautiful valley, and we are making these lovely videos for you from Kumrat. And I hope you are also enjoying the beauty, the tranquility of this and serene environment with this perfect ambience. It's all natural, right? No karoma at all. So Shumaila, what's on the menu? Come on.
Well, Asad, I'm just thinking about let's discuss about discussion essay.
Let's discuss about discussion essay. Very good. And by the
I was
way,
just thinking.
yeah, that's good, Shumaila. I love that. Let's discuss about discussion essay. Discussion essay is on top of the list. These days, it's either opinion or discussion, or I would say it's either discussion or opinion essay. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you how to identify the topic for discussion essay. How to get to know that this is the topic of
और
discussion
सबसे
essay.
important यही चीज है.
Absolutely, absolutely. Whenever there is a discussion essay, point number one, they will give you two contrasting views. Number one, they will give you two contrasting views. Some people believe, on the other hand, some people think. So there are always two contrasting views in discussion essay. Number one. Number two, at the end of discussion essay, they write two type of statements. Either discuss both views. But nowadays, I've checked almost in every exam, they write discuss both views and give your own opinion. So for a discussion essay, you can easily identify, number one, two contrasting views with whereas on the other hand, on the contrary, there are two contrasting views. Number two, they write discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now one warning, if they say discuss the advantages and disadvantages of, that is not opinion essay. That is advantages, disadvantages essay. Sometimes they say, what are the advantages and disadvantages of? Sometimes they say, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of. That is not opinion
और
essay
ये
at all.
लोग mix कर देते हैं
Absolutely,
normally.
absolutely. So in discussion essay, they say, discuss both views and give your own opinion. Wow. I'm enjoying a lot. I can't express my feelings, guys.
अभी आपको मैं कॉफी
Oh my God. Yeah. It's so windy, perfect weather. And I mean, I can't explain my feelings, and I'm so happy and I'm enjoying a lot. Now, I tell you, as far as this discussion essay is concerned, you can write 5 paragraphs or you can write 4 paragraphs.
Okay.
It depends on you, because when they say discuss both views and give your own opinion, so recommended 5 paragraphs according to me. It's up to you, you can write even 4 paragraphs. So first I will tell you 5 paragraph solution. Paragraph number 1, introduction. In introduction, you are going to write 3 sentences. Sentence number 1 is going to be a general sentence about the phenomena which you are going to discuss. The topic which they have given you, sentence number 1 is a general sentence. And as I said in my previous video, that can be something related to the past background of the situation, current scenario of the situation, or current scenario leading towards future. General sentence about the topic, okay? After that, in second sentence, you are going to paraphrase the topic. Now remember, in discussion essay, there are two contrasting views which you have to paraphrase. So I advise you to use a complex sentence. Because there are two contrasting views, so you can use a complex sentence, a main clause, subordinate clause, you can just use that, right? So this is how you can write what do you say, paraphrasing of the topic. After that, sentence number 3, thesis sentence. Now what is thesis sentence here? In this essay, I will discuss both phenomena before drawing a conclusion. You can copy this as well, right? In this essay, I will discuss both the situations before reaching a final verdict. Verdict means your opinion, conclusion, okay? Or before reaching my final verdict. You can use that. Wording is very important. So in 3 sentences, you've written your introduction. Now, as I said, you can write 5 paragraphs or you can write 4 paragraphs. First, I give 5 paragraph plan. I recommend that, okay? Paragraph number 1, discuss the first view. Now, you have to discuss this view and you have to be impartial. Don't take any side, don't give your opinion, don't say according to me. Discuss it in third person. Some people believe that. According to them, they also think that, right? So discuss one view. Now how to discuss the view? Number one, in sentence number one, you can write a sentence about that very thing, that very view, right? Then write a second sentence to elaborate that view. Then write third sentence to give example related to that view. And then write fourth sentence to conclude. And again, conclusion should not be your opinion. It should also be general, third person. Next body paragraph. Discuss second view. Whatever that second view is, discuss the view, elaborate the view, give relevant example to that view, and conclude that view in third person. Therefore, people believe that, that is why people strongly think, and all that. Now you come to this fourth paragraph of your essay and third body paragraph. Here you're going to write your opinion. Now what is your opinion? You discuss two views impartially. So your opinion is the view that you support. Your opinion is that if you support the first view or you support the second view, again you can discuss that view. Say, according to me, to my way of thinking, then write that view. Then elaborate that view in your opinion. Give example and then conclude that view. And after that, and this opinion should be very short. It should contain 3 sentences maximum. That's fine. And then you're going to write conclusion. Conclusion of a discussion essay. Sentence number 1, general sentence. Sentence number 2, your opinion and which view you support. And sentence number 3, any general sentence about that very topic you can write. Now this is a 5-paragraph formula. I have another formula, another plan, 4 paragraphs only. Sentence number 1, introduction. Sentence number 2, discuss the view that you support.
First we
discuss the view that you support, which is your opinion, right? Because you know there are 2 views and your opinion means which view you support. So second paragraph, discuss the view you support, and it's going to be a long paragraph. Right? And you will give reason number 1 in one paragraph. Reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3. Minimum 2 reasons and maximum 3 reasons. Okay?
With examples.
With example, absolutely. This paragraph will be a long one. Then discuss the other side that you do not support, and you will discuss it in third person plural. And this paragraph is not going to be as big as this one. Right? Discuss second view, and in conclusion, you can give your opinion. You don't need to write a separate paragraph for your opinion because you have already mentioned your opinion in the beginning. So in conclusion, you can write your opinion. So this is how you can write a discussion essay. But Shmaila, I would say one thing. I have taught them 2 ways of writing discussion essay. There can be other ways also. I mean, other YouTubers, other IELTS trainers, they may tell you the 3rd, 4th, 5th way as well. In the end, examiner is going to check your language, the quality of your arguments, the layout, your understanding, and then they will give you the bench score, right? So, thank you. Okay. All the best.
End karte hain video.
Yeah, let's finish the video. But before we finish the video, I would like to give a 360 view. Yasin is going to start from here and then he's going to come back to us. Anyways, guys, I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. At the moment, we are in Comrade Valley and we are actually recording these videos in Comrade Valley. You can see our Land Cruiser is there as well. Yeah, we've come all the way from Lahore to record these videos, okay? This is truly awesome and pleasant and I'm enjoying, and you can see all this in my excitement. So, by the way, you got 360 angle, 360 view. All the best, Asad Yaqub and
Shumaila Najam.
We both wish you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.